In front of me is the S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Password Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on Autofill after scrolling down. Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Now if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, hit this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords is on. Log into any app and hit Save in Autofill pop-up. After that, your password will appear over here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, tap on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then input any website at the top, or select App by clicking on the chosen one. Then input all of those informations: your username, email or phone number, password, and even some helpful notes. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!